So for expats, they live overseas, and obviously they have to file US taxes, but what about state taxes?
Well, state taxes just kind of depends on the situation. So a lot of times that first year when an expat moves, what they have to do is file a part-year state tax return. So for that part of the year that they lived in the States, they report all of their income up till the day they moved, and they pay tax on that portion of their income, but not the portion after they move overseas. After they file that part-year tax return, generally that's it. They're done with state income tax returns. But there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. If you do have income from that state, for example, you own some rental properties there, or maybe there's a small business there, you do have to file a non-resident state tax return, and you report and pay tax just on that income earned from that state. But you don't have to pay tax on all the rest of your income. But it's important to always keep state taxes in mind.
Are there any states that are harder to break residency or to move out of?
Oh, absolutely. There are some that are actually very notorious. One being California. You have to not only leave the state and cut all ties with this state, or as many ties as possible, you have to establish residency in another state or another country. You should speak with a professional about how to arrange everything and what steps you need to take to break residency with California. Another particularly sticky state is New York, especially if you own any property there. If you rent, lease, or own any property, then there are a lot of circumstances where New York State will just assess you some tax. And then it's the burden on you to prove that you're not a resident of New York State and you don't owe tax. If you are breaking residencies with one of those states, you do want to be careful. Residency rules for every state, it can all be a little bit different. So it's a great idea to book a consultation with Greenback so that you can understand, what steps you need to take, what steps you should take to be able to break residency, so you don't have to continue to file those state tax returns and continue to pay state income taxes.